Yeah.
Yeah?
And I needed some cleaning products.
I'll take your purse.
Alright, so I'm gonna read you something, okay?
Am I going to jail?
So how many times have you done this?
Not very many, I'll be honest.
There being three of you guys, three of us, and somebody has to search, we have to search the car. It's easier just for us to put everyone in handcuffs.
Officers respond to a Walmart in Washington, Illinois after store security reports suspicious behavior involving multiple people. Surveillance footage appears to show items being concealed inside bags before the group attempts to leave the store.
And I lost my link card.
Can you just scoot up just a little bit more so we can close the store?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I mean, I'm willing to buy it because I have
Are you able to walk?
No, I'm not.
No? Okay.
I don't know. So she was messing
Yeah.
with her purse, so she might have items in there. But I can. There's something in there. I don't know. And she told me it was
Okay.
a box. Like in her dress.
Yeah, it is a box.
Alright, I'm gonna read you
It's a box
something.
of fruit snacks. I'll be honest.
There's multiple things under here. You got this.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah?
And I needed some cleaning products.
I'll take your purse.
Alright, so I'm gonna read you something, okay? You have the right to remain silent if you wish. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
With those rights in mind, you wish to speak with me?
No.
You do not wish to speak with me?
No, I do apologize for this. Am I going to jail?
Unless you have a warrant.
No, I don't. I'll be honest, my dad and I, it's just us. And he's on Social Security. I'm on disability and I can't walk. Excuse me.
No.
Please.
Nope.
I had to crush up my pills.
I don't believe that, but you're under arrest. But
No,
what
it's
it is
not.
yet, but
No, it's not. I
regardless, you are under arrest. So, she can't stand, so it's fine. You don't have any weapons on you.
swear. No, I don't.
Alright. Well, just sit up for me. I'm gonna search you.
And I owe money to somebody.
Okay. Just give me all your stuff. Okay. We'll pick up your change for you. Alright. Well,
And
you
my
don't want to talk to
stockings.
us, so we're not gonna
I'm
ask you any
stockings
questions, okay?
and see how big my one leg is. That's another
Fine.
reason. It is, I swear.
Well,
You
we
can
got
even get
drug
it
tested, so we'll test it.
Unless somebody put it. I've got
No,
my vehicle outside with a friend of mine.
You got a ride waiting for you up there, or you drove here?
I drove here because it's my vehicle. My dad's gonna have a freaking whip. Am I going to jail?
So how many times have you done this?
Not very many, I'll be honest
Not
with you.
very many, but enough.
No, towards the end. Usually, I'll be honest, maybe once or twice towards the end of the month, and that is it.
Let's get to the
For how long?
Not long, maybe 2
Um,
months, maybe
To what?
maybe a month, maybe.
A month.
You can
So,
check the
2
back
months.
of the squad. if you
So
want.
maybe a couple times last month, a couple times this month.
so I will let you know that as of today, you're going to be getting trespassed,
Okay. We gotta find them out in the parking lot.
This is the guy that was in here
They're
with you.
suspect.
This is the female that you were with too in the store. Is this Marie? That's Marie? So Marie was in the store. So you lied to me.
I am sorry, she is.
Okay.
Do you want to head out here because there's like 2 or 3 other people that were with her, and we have to confirm they didn't steal too because they're suspects and Peoria thefts.
At university, it looks like.
Alright, thanks.
They have your name on the wrong person, but that's Marie and this is the guy.
Yes.
She told me it was a Buick SUV, parked to the left and it's gray.
Did you drive here? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The keys are in the car, or in her purse. So.
The truth comes out.
We'll go out. I asked Ron to come here, but if there's 2 or 3 of them, then stay here, okay? If you try to leave, we'll definitely take you.
Police determined that she had arrived with a younger woman and a man, who were later seen waiting outside near the older woman's vehicle. During questioning, the younger woman admitted she had concealed clothing under her shirt and left the store without paying, later placing the items inside the vehicle.
Dude, they can never be simple.
I know. Hey man, you mind coming with me real quick? I guess your ride might... We got to look at your ride in the office.
Thank you.
I'll call you back.
Are you trespassing?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So, I'm going to read you guys something just because we have you detained in here for now. Before we ask any questions, it's my duty to advise you of your rights. Do you guys understand your rights?
No.
Okay. So,
You're good. No, normal.
did you guys steal anything today? No. Are you being completely
I believe
I
so.
did,
Are
but
they,
I stuff back.
Sierra, are they trespassed already?
Yeah.
No, but they have unknown charges.
No, I didn't carry a purse. I didn't have a purse.
You
That's
didn't
her
carry a
purse.
We
purse.
just got it in the office. And,
You guys are suspects in retail thefts and other Walmarts that you guys never got caught for. So she is going to trespass you today. We need to identify you guys. We can't charge you for other cities' crimes, but just know that that's probably what's going to end up happening since we have you guys identified. So wherever you stole from in the past, they're probably going to be sending you guys some citations and stuff because we got your identity now, okay? And then she's also going to trespass you today. Do you have IDs on you?
Mine is in the car.
I do not.
Okay, so we'll have to grab your names from you. Did you buy that? Is that something?
No, this is just my stuff from home.
You mind if I just check it?
Let's get stuff from the house.
Type here. You want to tell me what the white residue is in this one? What was it?
Cocaine.
Cocaine. Okay.
Sorry.
When's the last time you used?
This morning.
This morning? Okay. Did you give her some?
No.
Okay.
No,
Because I found
no.
some white stuff, but.
No.
Alright, so. We've got the para here, so we obviously have to address that issue too, okay? So you drove here, yes? You guys were passengers in the car?
Yes.
Okay.
That's all Walmart's
And you want to sit on the ground. If you want to stand up for me, this officer is going to search you, okay? Do you have anything else on you?
I do have
Face walk for me.
I do have another one.
Okay.
Okay, you're good, Ron. Thank you.
take a seat for me. You sit back down.
Alright, so just understand you're under arrest right now, Troy, okay?
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure that was this week.
I'm just letting you know, we're not going to put you in cuffs because you've been cool, but just know that that's the case, okay?
So, here's the thing. I'm gonna review the video of when you walked in to when you leave, and it's probably gonna take me a minute to find it, but regardless, I'm gonna find it, okay? So did you guys take stuff? There's a bag of clothes in the car? Okay, thank you for being honest. So you guys both, how'd you do it? Did you conceal it? Where'd you conceal it in?
I mean, you want to stand up for me?
Yes, sir. So right now, with there being three of you guys, three of us, and somebody has to search, we have to search the car. It's easier just for us to put everyone in handcuffs. You want to take them, put them in your car?
Yep.
Yeah, it's weird. Don't know if we're going yet, but right now we're just gonna act like we are, okay?
Oh, so he knew that we were out with her, is that why? Okay. Did you have to sit kind of sideways so to be comfortable? Yeah, I would face like sideways almost, you know?
I'm okay.
Alright, so the blue container is your drugs.
He's not gonna let me take it.
But is it yours?
It's hers. It's inevitably hers.
Okay. So she's dealing out to you guys or what?
No, it rides sometimes and it's stuff.
Because you originally told me the blue container is yours. And I'm
Well, the peak's mine, but what's in it is not mine.
This one right here, the silver?
Cuffs?
No, she said she has a shoulder issue, so you want to cover in the front?
I need a knee replacement
give us some
and shoulder replacement.
I don't think she's going anywhere.
Okay, hers behind her bag is.
My left one is really tight.
Alright, so
I said, be honest with me, we found drugs on both your friends. Are we going to find drugs of yours in the car? And she said, well, the blue container was mine.
okay.
I said, so the blue container that I found in his bag is yours. And she said, it was in the car and he took it because he knew that she was in the office with us and he didn't want her to get in trouble. But she says that the bag inside is not hers, it's hers.
Obviously we got a lot here. So you have retail theft and controlled for her.
For both.
You have retail theft and controlled for him.
No retail for him.
I think just controlled, and then
I
both
thought
of
he
them
confessed to stealing to Sierra.
He gave me
Somebody
permission.
stole from here today.
She did. The other female.
Okay.
It's in the car.
Both of them.
So you have three retail thefts, or three reports here. You have one report for her for the retail and controlled. You have one report for him for the controlled, and you have one report for her for the retail theft. Does that make sense? Because with different crimes, different offenders, and all of that, it's gonna be 10 times easier to just do the three.
Alright, man. So, the blue container, is that, she's claiming that that's hers. Is that hers or is that yours?
It is hers. It's hers.
It's hers, okay. And then all the other stuff you had on you, it's all you?
In my bag, yeah.
In your bag? What about the silver container thing, silver thing in your pocket?
That one, that's the one she's talking about.
Alrighty. Well, hang tight. have one. He gave me one. I didn't know if it was for him.
Your MTA's in here. This is all your property, okay? Did you get your notice or your trespass
I
one?
might have it. He handed me one, but I wasn't sure if it was his.
Do you have any questions for us?
Yep. So you are trespassed. Your receipt's in the car. I just didn't want to sit here and hand out all this stuff, and
I understand.
so that way it's all in one spot. We're telling you verbally. You guys have your copies. All good. Yep. So.
All right, thank you.
After reviewing surveillance footage and searching the vehicle, officers recover nearly $200 in stolen merchandise. The younger woman is issued a notice to appear in court for misdemeanor retail theft.